Hello friends, welcome to the new topic. So let us hear what is a static data member. Static data member, it is if we want to convert data member into static data member, we need to just initialize static before the data member. We need to just initialize static before the data member. It initializes its value starting by 0. If you don't give any value, it initializes its value by 0. If you don't give any value, it is a shared memory for all data objects of the class. It is a shared memory for all objects of the class. It retains its value. So let us see through explanation, so you can get better about the static variable. So see here, void counter, we create the void counter. The function name of the function name is void counter. The function starts here and it ends here. Here we declare the static int count, cout count plus plus, static int count. The variable name is count, count, count plus plus. So here int main, for I is equals to 0, I less than or equals to 3, I plus plus counter. So let us see here, if we don't put the static variable, what will be the output? Here int count, here we put int count. Here if you are not going to use the static int count, we have declared not anything to the variable count. It means if you are going to put 0, so it will be 0 first. If you are going to put, it will be 0. If you are going to put 1, it will be 1. If you are going to put 2, it will be 2. If you are not going to put anything, it will give us a garbage value. If you are not going to put int count and you are going to print cout count, it will give us a garbage value. So it is not the right way to get it. So if you are going to put the static int count, if you are going to put the static before the int count, it will be declaring automatically 0. Means if you are going to put the static, it initializes its value with 0. Means so count value is what first. Now count is equals to 0 because we initialize it as static. But if you don't put static, it will give us the garbage value. If you give the output cout count, if you are going to put the static, it will give the output as 0. If you are not going to put the static, it will give us a garbage value. So this is the use of the static. And another use of the static is what it is going to restore its value. It is going to restore its value. Means what? Here for int is equals to I less than or equals to 3, I plus plus now. So for I is equals to 0, now first counter call. Now this function will be called here cout the counter count. Now what is the value of the count right now? Here we declare static int count. We have declared anything to the count. So first will be what? 0. And we said it is going to store its value. So first one is 0 and next will be I less than or equals to I plus plus. So count plus plus means next will be 1 and next will be 2. If you are not going to put the static, and if you are going to initialize, if you are not going to put the static here, and if you are going to put it as 0, and the output will be 0 0 0 only. If you are going to put the static here, so it is going to store its value. If you are not going to put the static here, then it is going to give us 0 0 0. So what is the use of the static right now? So if you are going to use the static, and if you are not giving any value to that variable, so it startingly initializes it with 0. If after that, it is going to restore its value. So after every incrementation, it is going to store its value. So it is the use of the static variable. Thank you.